If you give me literally 39 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how I got over 1 million subscribers on YouTube without ever showing my face, recording videos, or anything like that. It's actually extremely simple. Let me show you how to do it. So what we do is we go to websites like this with completely free stock footage. We download these videos for completely free, just clicking this green button right here. We download these videos and we do a simple voiceover on top of these videos, literally just using a phone. And that's it. As you can see, here's channels literally getting 7 million views a month doing this exact method. Now, if you want to see step-by-step exactly how I do this, and I literally mean step-by-step, we're having a free live class today that you can attend by either clicking the top right-hand corner if you're on mobile or lower left-hand corner if you're on desktop. And it's going to take you to a page like this where you can register your seat. And on this class, I'm literally going to show you the best niches you can do this in, how to generate tons of videos super easily, and most importantly, how you can get a ton of views on these videos and succeed on YouTube. And look, this doesn't require some big upfront investment. This doesn't even require any technical skills. And if you look at all the people that are flashing across the screen right now, these are people who are getting results with this method. Now, I can't promise you these results, but I can promise you that you're going to see the same exact tactics that these people are using because they attended the same exact live training that I'm inviting you to right now. All you have to do is click the upper right-hand corner if you're on mobile or the lower left-hand corner if you're on desktop and register on a page that looks like this. Just put in your email so you can attend the live class today. And I can't stress enough to stop being skeptical because literally thousands of different channels on YouTube are doing this exact method. And I want to show you how to do this method as well because YouTube has completely changed my life and hopefully it can change yours too. And again, you can register for the training either above or below this video, and I can't wait to see you there and show you exactly how these channels are doing this, and more importantly, how you can too, exactly how I got over 1 million subscribers on YouTube doing this method, and I want to show you how you can do the same. I can't promise you these same results, but I can promise you that you're going to see the same exact tactics that I'm using and that all these people on your screen right now are using because I'm personally doing these tactics and all these people went through this training as well. So I can't wait to see you on the training. Click either above or below this video and I'll see you there.
Hello, my name is Chris. I just gone through the Tube Mastery monetization and I'm really impressed with the content and training. The new course from MatPar is pretty comprehensive and leave no stone left unturned. Every module is easy to follow as a step-by-step training with videos, slides and more, and teach you everything from start to finish. I want to thank you, Matt, for making such a great course without any theory and fluff. Thank you.
Hi everybody, I just finished Matt's course, Tube Mastery and Monetization, and I only have amazing things to say about it. There are 3 things that I loved, and so the first thing is I absolutely love how value-packed yet concise all of the material is. He breaks it down into modules, which are broken down into lessons, and those lessons are not very long, but they're still crazy packed with information and amazing value. So number 2, what I loved is before I bought the course, I was really debating between Matt's Tube Mastery monetization and another course. But what really pushed me over the edge to buying Matt's course was the customer service and his support. He genuinely wants to help his students and wants to see them succeed. And before buying his course, I sent him a DM on Instagram and I was just like, hey, I asked him a few questions about it. And he got back to me within like 10 minutes. And he gave me a really helpful response. He was so happy to help. And after buying the course, it was the exact same. When you're in the Facebook group, you ask a question, most likely he'll answer it. If not, somebody else will. Like I have never asked a question or put something in the group and worried about if anyone would see it or if it would get answered because he goes on to the group every single day and answers most of the questions, and it's great. And so the third thing that I loved is Matt is like 18 or 19 years old. He's the same age as me. And seeing where he is compared to where I am right now, it's a huge difference, but he is so inspiring and encouraging. And like every time he's teaching you something, you're just, or at least me personally, I was thinking like, oh my gosh, I could be where he is. And so that's really inspiring. So yeah, I highly recommend this course. I would recommend it to anyone who wants to make money online. And yeah.
Hi everyone, this is Judith. I just finished the course, the programs, YouTube Mastery and Monetization. I'm so happy that I enrolled in these courses. So yeah, I'm so excited to go out there and implement what I've learned. Especially, I'm so new in YouTube, and I don't even know how to make videos go viral. I'm wondering why these people making videos going viral, and how do they make it? So I was just, I thought I just can upload a video and then it would just go viral. So yeah, there are ways like proper keywords, consistency of the right keywords that you need to put on your like descriptions, thumbnails, and many more. And yeah, I learned a lot from this course. And thank you so much for sharing all your knowledge. Matt, you're the best. See you at the top.
I lost the key.
Hello guys, my name is Carlos Catari. I'm from Venezuela, living in Canada. I bought Matt course, Tube Mastery and Monetization, and honestly, it's the best investment I have done in courses in my life. I have invested in many areas, in many trainings, and this is by far the most amazing, detailed, step-by-step what to do course that I have ever taken. I honestly tell you, it should be more expensive. It's a bargain. Everything Matt shares with us is just what you need to know for this new business that we want to make. And because honest, that's the way he see his channels. He sees them as businesses. So don't hesitate to take it. It's the best investment you're gonna make. It's the first time I let somebody who is 19 years old to teach me when I am 36 years old. It's the first time I let somebody younger than me to teach me, but his experience, his expertise, his results give him the authority to teach, and the way he does it is just amazing. So don't hesitate, just take it, and you're gonna be in the best path to success. Bye bye.